Hello, friends. So, today we are diving deep into the world of classes and objects in low level design. So, you're preparing for interviews and you might be asked questions like: what are classes and objects? Can you build a library system with them? A car system? How Netflix uses these? Can you explain how Uber uses them and etc.? Well, buckle up, buddy, because by the end of this video, not only will you know what they are, you'll know how these are being used. So let's get started. So, what is a class? Imagine a class as a blueprint, like the plan for building a car. You're not driving the blueprint, right? You build the car from it. Here's the sample class, we'll break it down. This is our car blueprint. It defines what every car should have: an engine, wheels, and seats. Simple, right? Okay, let's break it down a bit more. This line, public class car, we are creating a new class here named car and making it accessible from anywhere with the help of keyword public. String engine. This car has an engine type like V8 or electric and which is stored in a variable or will be stored in a variable which is of type string. There's another variable called wheels which is of type integer, and it is in most of the cars we see four wheels unless you are building a Batmobile. There's one more variable which is seats, that is also a integer type. So it can be defined in such a way that how many people can sit in the car. This is just a structure, not working car yet. What's an object? A class is the idea, what we saw, but an object is the real deal. It's the actual car built from your class blueprint. It has a real value, like a red Tesla with four wheels and an electric engine. Let's see it in action. We have a function here in the class called start, which will print the output on the basis of the value stored in the class. We are making an object called car1 with the help of car class, and we are storing some values like v6, the wheels are 4, seats are 5, etc. So with the help of object car1, we stored some actual value in the memory. Let's see the another object, that is car2, and that is also made with the help of car class, and the engine stored here is electric. So both cars are different objects but came from the same class. And when they start mean to say that function which is in the car class, car1.start, it will print v6 engine starting. And when we run car2.start, it will print electric engine starting. So this is how the object and class works. Let's compare. Class is the what, the plan, the concept. Object is the thing, the car parked in your garage. Big tech companies like Google, Amazon, and Meta, they use millions of objects created from just a few smartly designed classes. And that's efficiency. So you can see the code here as a simple car system in Java with an engine and a drive method. Check this code out. Do some changes by yourself. That will increase your understanding of classes and objects. So, why do companies like MAANG use classes and objects every day? And the reason being, they break complex systems into smaller, manageable parts. They are the building blocks of design pattern. They make code scalable, testable, and super easy to maintain. You can think of Instagram, one user class, and boom, millions of unique users created from the same class. So let's wrap it up here. We saw classes as blueprint and objects as real thing. Remember, every modern application you use from Netflix to Uber runs on these core concepts. And in the next session, we will see how classes and objects are used in OOP concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and how big tech companies leverage them in real world system design. So start small, keep practicing, and you'll be designing systems like a pro in no time.